Aloha, Voyagers. We are here in Vancouver, British Columbia at the Shameful Tiki Room. Let's go.
Shameful Tiki transports you from Vancouver's busy downtown to a relaxing, tropical escape. Its classic Polynesian aesthetic channels major West Coast Tiki yesteryear vibes. But how are the drinks and experience? Let's find out on Voyager Review. Shameful is right on Main Street, about 20 minutes downtown from the port. As soon as you step inside, you know you came to the right place. And we got ourselves a seat right up at the bar. We came a long way to Vancouver, so we dove right into that drink menu.
This is a Painkiller. This drink is renowned around the world these days from the famous Soggy Dollar Bar, and I'm gonna give it a little try. Look how cool that looks. I love this little foam layer. Oh, that's really good. It's like coconutty and like sweet. It's creamy, it's coconutty, it's delicious. They did an excellent job with this. I love the foam. Let me give this a little. It's like orange, nutty. I like that. Cheers. Delicious. This is the Saturn. I always get a Saturn. I'm probably gonna get 3 of these. I love gin drinks. I like gin tiki drinks. They're very good. This one is no exception. It's very, very delicious, very tangy. You can taste everything. It's blended so well, the passion fruit, the lemon, the orgeat. I definitely recommend, if you're not someone who's used to drinking these tiki-like drinks, definitely get a Saturn because it's easy, it goes down easy, it tastes amazing. I know some of the tiki drinks can be a little experimental at some of the places, but it's still very tropical without being too crazy. Cheers. Another reason to get a Saturn for me is the cherry, the boozy cherry. We all know I like that by now. We got the chicken sliders, has coleslaw on it. Stoked to try these. Very, very good, very tender. Great seasoning on it, not spicy at all. They also have it in jackfruit and pork, but I like chicken more. But these are definitely a must get when you're here. So good. This is pork ribs. We got chicken tacos. Usually they're pork tacos, but you're allowed to sub them out. Dumplings, naan bread, some delicious looking sauces, and of course rice. And I am so stoked to try this right now. I am so hungry. This platter is $45 Canadian. And so let's see if it's worth it. We tore up this Pupu platter. Actually really, really good. Now, someone told us yesterday that we should have just got an entire rack of ribs, and that's what Ryan said. He wanted more ribs, okay. But this whole thing was amazing. All the flavors went together really well, and we love the bartender for giving us a little show with it. Look at this bad boy. Now, he made us the Volcano for 2 people because you can't order it unless you have like 4 more people because it has 16 barrels of rum, okay? But our bartender felt pity for us, so he gave us a little mini version of it. So let's give it a try. This is rum, mango, mezcal. It's smoky, but it's not too smoky. It actually could be smokier, and Ryan said he wouldn't be upset about it. It's very good, very well balanced cocktail. We appreciate him making this for us. And this is gonna be my drink.
If you're visiting Shameful Tiki, check their socials, because some nights there will be live entertainment. We got lucky and got to see the go-go dancers, and this took the tiki atmosphere from laid back to super fun without missing a beat.
If you're in Vancouver, you should definitely take the time to stop in here. It's really, really awesome and really fun. And if you're here on an every other Sunday and get to catch the dancers, you should. The food is awesome, especially those chicken sliders. That was like my favorite thing. The drinks are cool. Their staff is really fun and accommodating. I love the mood and the vibe in here. It's awesome. I love that it's a throwback to old school tiki. I really, really like that a lot. I like that the guy who created this place was really trying to stay authentic to an older tiki experience, and I think that's awesome. This is the Danger Bebe, and it's rum and flavored with ube and coconut. So let's give it a shot. It looks really cute. A lot of crushed ice in here. Tastes like a lemon cookie or lemon shortbread cookie, kind of. Pretty good. We got the samosas, and they are crunchy, good, blended very nicely. It's spicy, but not too spicy. Very good. And it comes with a nice, like, sweet chili sauce. I would recommend these if you've had a couple drinks as well. Better than French fries.
Whether you're on a tiki pilgrimage to visit all the best immersive bars, or just need a taste of the tropics before an Alaskan cruise, the Shameful Tiki Room in Vancouver is the perfect escape for anyone in need of a little aloha.
Thank you so much for joining us on this little tiki adventure here in Vancouver. We really loved it here. And if you are ever in Vancouver, you should definitely stop in if you have time. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.